Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting VS Code installed and ready. Download the correct installer for your OS and run it. Once done, open the app and immediately open a project folder so the editor can index files. Make sure to decide whether to sign in. You can skip now and enable settings sync later. You'll see the activity bar, explorer, and status bar. This layout matters for navigation, so take a quick look before we add features. Now you'll configure the core features that make VS Code powerful. Install extensions for language support and tools. Pick only what you need like Python, Prettier, or Live Server, because too many can slow startup. Then customize theme and key bindings so commands feel natural. Use preferences to search settings quickly. Finally, create workspace level settings in vscode/settings. JSON to lock formatting or linting per project. These steps let you work faster and ensure consistent behavior across machines. To finish setup, you'll run and debug your code. Open the integrated terminal or use the run view and create a launch. JSON for complex apps. Make commits and manage branches in the source control panel so your work stays tracked. Once comfortable, enable settings sync to keep everything consistent. If something breaks, like extensions causing freezes, disable suspect extensions or select developer. Reload window to reset the UI. That quick fix resolves most startup or extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.